So in this video, I want to share a little tip for people who have a hard time with wearing eyeliner and just give them like an alternative for what they can do. Now we're going to use eyeshadow for this, and I'm talking about like the top eyeliner. So we're going to use eyeshadow for this, and you first want to like make this brush a bit damp and then take a black eyeshadow like this one. This one is from my Morphe palette. So you take some of that eyeshadow on your brush like that. And then just raise your eyebrows like this. And then just put that on the lash line. Like that. Also, if you find yourself out of eyeliner, just do this. Get that black eyeshadow and just go in like this. This is the easiest way I have found to wear eyeliner. And keep it as close to the lash line as possible. Don't try to go too far. Just make sure that your brush is as thin as possible. Do you see the difference that made already? I love it. You can do this every day. Very, very simple. So do you see how that looks with eyeshadow? Try it out and let me know how it goes for you guys. Just make sure you have the right tools for it. So the next step is eyelash extensions. So the first thing that you want to do is to just go in with some mascara before you wear your falsies. This just helps for your natural lashes to blend in really well with your falsies. Guys, don't forget to put some on the bottom lashes as well. So the easiest way that I found to wear lashes is to take like a dark lash glue, put it on your lash line, apply it on the lash line, give it 30 seconds to a minute to sit, and then apply your lashes. Instead of just going in with the lashes with the glue, you know, sometimes the lashes move up and down and then it creates a mess, and that's if you're not an expert. Honestly, I am not an expert at doing my own lashes, my own eyelash extensions. I can do other people very well, my clients and everything, but for myself, no honey, I'm a mess. So what I like to do is I'm going to wear these lashes. I'm going to go ahead and apply this lash glue. This is by Lash Couture. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your eyelash extensions fit your eye. So mine do, I measured them already. If they don't, then chop them from the end, not from the beginning, but from the end. And then go in like that. Make sure you put some at the corner as well, because you really don't want it being loose at the corner. It looks funny. So then I'm going to do the other eye while this one gets sticky. And remember, it's very important for your glue to get sticky, because to get tacky, because that's when it will actually stick. If it's not tacky, then your lashes won't stick. And you don't have to start from the inner corner. You really don't. You just have to start from where you plan to place your lashes, you know, like for me it's going to be right there. Now I have messed this eye up a bit, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with the eyeshadow and just clean that up after I have put on my lashes, and I'll show you. So I'm going to give it a minute to sit and then we'll apply them again. So guys, this this takes practice, but if you keep practicing you will get there. And the thing I love about applying the lash glue directly on your eyes instead of on the lash is it actually makes sure that the lash sits where the lash glue is. You know, sometimes you'll apply it like up, but I don't have those problems ever since I started doing my eyelash extensions like this. And then remember how I mentioned how I had kind of messed up that lash line, right? Just above my eyelashes. I'm going to go back in and just place that product right there. Step really helps your eyeliner and your lashes to merge. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed and do stay safe.